Bigyan natin ng opinion reaction itong article sa ABS-CBN. Good news po ito para sa mga nagmamahal kay Senator Dante Marcoleta. Banggit niya na noon na ang kanyang pangarap maging chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Ngayon, lumiliwanag na. Nagsalita na ang mga senador nga most likely ang maging chairman ng Blue Ribbon Committee si Senator Marcoleta. Ito sa ABS-CBN News. Estrada, Escudero has votes to keep Senate presidency, Marcoleta to get Blue Ribbon. Diba mayroong payag ni Attorney Rowena Guanzon? Sabi niya, magbantay kayo, manda kayo mga kawatan. Pag nakuha ni Senator Marcoleta ang Blue Ribbon Committee, humanda na kayo. Ito na, kakatotoo na. Okay, sabasahin ko lang ha. Senate President Pro Tempore Jingo Estrada on Monday said Senate President Francis Escudero has more than enough votes to keep the Senate presidency in the 20th Congress. Sabi niya, we have enough numbers, more than 13 I suppose. And I think Senate President Chis Escudero is already secured of having his next term as Senate President. Probably we can call it super majority. So, aminado si Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri na ganun na nga. Totoo. Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri said that Escudero may already have the numbers to retain the Senate presidency for now, but it was not yet a done deal. Sabi niya, so we're not saying it's a done deal, although signature-wise, I think it is. Marami nang pumirma noon sa resolution. I think may over 13 na sila. But anything can still happen between now until July 28. So ano nga ngayon? July 8 na ngayon, ano? So 20 days to go. Meron ng resolution, umiikot sa mga senador. Marami nang pumirma at sobra 13 na ang pumirma. So, tapos na ang boxing. Senator Soto, wala na. Ambisyon na yung gustong mag-Senate President, wala na. Dahil dito sa resolution. Kaya tama naman yung sabi ni Senator Zubiri, anything can still happen from now hanggang July 28. Ito na. Binulgar na ang mga committee chairmanship. Estrada also bared potential leaders of the Senate under Escudero's next term at the helm of the Senate. Estrada said he serves at the pleasure of his colleagues when asked if he will still be Senate President pro tempore. So tingin ko, ma-retain ni Senator Estrada ang posisyon na pro tempore. Estrada added that Senator Joel Villanueva will be the majority leader as he defended their block's choices for committee chairmanship. Zubiri earlier raised issues about qualifications of those who were given chairmanship, but Estrada defended their choices. Ito na. Committee on Public Works and Highways will be Mark Villar. Duterte Black yan. Committee on Social Services will be Erwin Tolfo. Diba? Committee on Education is Senator Bam Aquino. And Committee on Agriculture is Kiko Pangilinan. So, wala na. Confirm na. Nasa majority block na si Bam and Kiko. Si Senator Risa Hontiveros, kawawa. Mag-isa na lang siya. Okay, ano pa? Estrada added that Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is likely going to be the chairman of the Committee on Finance. Okay, sa ano pa? Ito na, Estrada also revealed newly elected Senator Rodante Marcoleta may get the powerful Blue Ribbon Committee, formerly the Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations. Ang isang narinig ko na gusto rin niya ng Blue Ribbon Committee ay si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano. Kaya lang, meron din siyang binanggit na may mga committee na gusto rin niyang hawakan. So, palagay ko, ito na, done deal na ito kasi gustong-gusto ni Senator Marcoleta na makuha itong Blue Ribbon Committee. I believe, ang pinaka-powerful na committee, itong Blue Ribbon, dahil kaya niyang imbestigan kahit sino. Kaya, humanda sila. Kaya, nakakatawa yung kaya Atty. Roy Naganson, kayo, bantay kayo mga kawatan. Pag nakuha ni Senator Marcoleta ang Blue Ribbon, humanda kayo. So, kinakabahan na sila ngayon. Sinong sila? Lahat. Oh, yung mga mahilig sa insertions, alam na, yung worst budget in our nation's history. Grabe. Na salamat na naman, better late than never, ang biggest business groups sa bansa, ang Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, nagsalita na yung 2025 national budget ay source of corruption. Pati kami, sabi ng presidente, nakikita namin yung mga insertions na ginagawa. So, ngayon, 2026, budgeting process na naman. Ayun, medyo nagbabago ng ihip ng hangin. Pwede na daw transparent, yung BICAM, pwede nang manood. Panawagan ng Speaker of the House is makialam kayo, basta dahil pera nyo yan, makialam, manood. So, salamat. At so, good luck sa mga members ng majority bloc. But, again, kawawa, si Senator Risa Hontiveros, nag-iisa na lang siya. Anong tawag sa kanya? Oposisyon.